Hello everyone. If you want to learn this paper cup bunny, then वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहिएगा और versatile food को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा. So let's see whatever material we need. Sheet of white and pink shade, black sketch and pencil for tracing purpose, scissors, foam sheet, punching, that is completely optional, glue, we need 2 paper cups and 2 cotton balls. That's all we need. So to start with, we are going to apply glue on the edge of one paper cup and paste the both paper cups together. Hold it for a while so that it will stick properly. Now just cut a 2 cm long strip of pink sheet and just join the edges of both cups together. It's time to create the other parts. To create the legs, we are going to cut this kind of shapes. Now fold the sheet into half and draw ears. Same way, we need 2 hands also. That's all we need from the pink sheet. Now use the white sheet and draw the shapes here. Now take extra margin and draw the figure again. We need 2 pieces to create the ears. Same way, trace the another shape. These are the 2 pieces of hands. And this will be the feet. Now do the cutting and pasting of all the cuttings. Till that time, I guess both the cups will be joined properly. So with this, our hands, legs and ears are ready. Now take the glitter sheet and cut 3 long strips of almost equal size. It's time to create the eyes. You can use googly eyes. I don't have it, so I'm going to create 2 here. And I'll be creating the center ball with black sketch. If you don't want to draw, you can just punch the eyes. Now take the glitter sheet and draw a bow here. Nose also should be created with the same sheet. Do the cutting. Create a strip and paste that in the center of your bow. Now all the parts are ready. We are going to paste it on appropriate places. The top area of this paper cup, we will be creating a face here. It will take time to stick properly. Lots of patience are required in creative tasks, so make sure it should be pasted properly. Time to use the cotton balls and paste it. We are gonna create the chubby cheeks of our rabbit. Let's paste both the eyes here. And it's time to paste the nose. Oh wow! It's looking beautiful. Join the hands and same way ears on the back side of the cup. Now it's time to paste the bow. With this, our bunny is ready for the party. Isn't it looking beautiful? To learn such kind of creative ideas using waste material, subscribe to Versatile Food and press